Come with me on wings of story, across the silver sea to once upon a time.
Once upon a time, a man was walking through the forest. All of a sudden, he heard a voice calling out, "Help! Let me out of here!" He looked all around, but couldn't see anyone. So he went on his way. But then he heard the voice calling again, "Help! Get me out of here!" He looked all around, and then he noticed there was a big hole right in the middle of the path. So he went over to the edge of the hole and he looked down in it, and there he saw a leopard. The leopard saw the man and he said, "Help me out of here! Help me out of here!" The man said, "I won't help you out of this hole. You will surely eat me up." "Oh no," said the leopard. "Please help me out of here. I won't eat you up." The man said, "You will, I know you will." "Oh no," said the leopard. "I promise I won't eat you up." So the man helped the leopard out of the hole. No sooner was he out than the leopard said, "Well, actually, I am quite hungry. I think I'm going to eat you." "But you promised," said the man. But the leopard said, "I'm a leopard, and leopards eat things." Just then, they heard someone coming down the path. So the man said, "Let's ask him to decide if you should eat me or not." "Very well," said the leopard. It was a donkey. When the donkey got to them, the man explained everything. Then they said to the donkey, "You decide." The donkey looked at the leopard, and he looked at the man, and he thought to himself, "If I tell the leopard that he shouldn't eat the man, he will surely eat me." So the donkey said, "I'm sorry, man. I think the leopard is going to eat you." And the donkey went on his way. "Wait," said the man. "Wait, let's ask someone else." "Very well," said the leopard. It wasn't very long before a monkey came along. The man explained everything that had happened to the monkey. Then he said, "You decide." The monkey looked at the leopard, and he looked at the man, and he said to himself, "If I tell the leopard not to eat the man, he will surely eat me." So the monkey said, "I'm sorry, man. I think the leopard is going to eat you." The leopard looked at the man hungrily, and the monkey went on his way. But the man said, "Wait, one more chance. Whoever comes by, we will ask him." "Very well," said the leopard, "one more chance." And it wasn't very long before they heard something come hopping down the path. Round the bend came Rabbit. The man explained everything to the rabbit. Then the rabbit said, "Let me see if I understand this. The leopard was in the hole, and he promised not to eat you, and you helped him out of the hole, and now he wants to eat you." "Yes," said the man, "that's right." "That's right," said the leopard. "I'm a leopard, and we eat things." "But let me make sure that I understand exactly how it was." And so the rabbit said to the leopard, "Show me exactly where you were in that hole." "Very well," said the leopard. He went over to the edge of the hole, and he carefully climbed in. "Is this how you were when the man helped you out of the hole?" "Yes," said the leopard. "This is where I was. Now help me out so I can eat the man." The rabbit said to the man, "You mustn't believe a leopard when he makes a promise." And the rabbit and the man went on their way. The leopard was left in the hole. I don't know, perhaps he's still in that hole to this very day.